This is the weather forecast video for Sunday, November the 6th, 2011. Let's take a look at the satellite image from last evening. You can see a storm system off over the plain states producing some clouds, some showers there, but the main threat is the strong gusty winds that will continue today as the cold front will come through mainly dry. Watch warning map from around midnight. You can see winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings over Montana, North Dakota, and South Dakota, some over the Colorado Rockies, and some over the Sierra Nevada range. A few wind advisories over Iowa and Minnesota. Otherwise, the rest of the nation is quiet. QPF chart. Precipitation over the next 5 days, this is through Thursday evening at 7 o'clock, shows that the heaviest amounts of rain still over the eastern two-thirds of the state, where upwards of 2 to 3 inches are possible with the storm system late Monday through Wednesday. Let's take a look at the 0Z GFS Model Run at 1 p.m. today. You can see the storm system over the plain states lifting out into Canada, and a new one digging into the California coast. At the surface, there's the low near Winnipeg. There could be a very isolated shower with the cold front this afternoon over the eastern half of the state. Otherwise, skies should remain partly to mostly sunny with highs in the lower 60s. We head into Monday. That storm has moved off, but the new storm is now developing over New Mexico and the Texas and Oklahoma panhandle with rain there. That'll be moving in late Monday night into Tuesday morning here at 1 o'clock. You can see the heaviest amounts of rain will be at that point over southern Iowa down into Kansas, Missouri, and Oklahoma, where there could be some thunderstorms, some of which could be severe, in fact. We head into Tuesday afternoon. The heaviest rain moves off into Wisconsin, but there still could be some lingering light to, at times, moderate rain across the state, with highs pretty much stuck in the 40s to lower 50s. We head into Wednesday morning. Cold air begins to filter in, and some of the rain could switch to some wet snow or a mix. Accumulations are not likely at this time. By Wednesday afternoon, the storm has moved off to the north and east, and skies clear. Temperatures cool off back into the 40s for highs, with lows likely in the middle to upper 20s. Thursday, the cold air continues. Winds light, could be the coldest night Thursday morning and again Friday morning, with lows in the 20s and highs in the 40s to low 50s. Friday will be a windy day, southwest to southerly winds, gusty, about 15 to 25 miles per hour. Likely not as gusty as this weekend, with highs in the 50s. Saturday, to start off the weekend, another weekend and another windy day. Winds south 15 to 20, gusting maybe 25 to 30. Highs in the 50s, maybe a 60 or 2. We head to a week from today, Sunday the 13th. Here comes another storm system, Max over the Texas panhandle, with a broad trough over the western half of the country, and low pressure forming at the New Mexico, Colorado, Oklahoma, Texas border. Moisture will be moving in across the eastern counties, where we could see some light rain, but the main threat will be to our south and west. We move ahead a little bit. Monday evening, this is in Voodoo, however. That low is quickly moved up into upper Michigan, with cold air infiltrating, and that could bring some snow to the state. We move it to the end of the forecast on November the 21st. Ridge over the Gulf of Mexico. Pretty strong west-east flow across the country, with a vortex over Minnesota. And this looks very interesting. It looks just like the last image, but we do tell you this is the 21st, and it looks the same, so we could see some more active weather toward the end of the month of November. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one tomorrow.